Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for HBAR price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart, we are looking here at a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the upside, finishing an impulse in a wave 1 or a wave A for a zigzag. Meaning an impulse, you would like to see a wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 toward the upside. Your wave A in a zigzag, of course, would require as well the same correction for a wave B. And looking, of course, for higher prices as well, or for an impulse, possibly that you have topped for now for a wave C here at a probable 1-to-1 fib level, where we would like, of course, to hit this wave C in the 2.38 dollars. Sorry. So yeah, basically these are the insights that we are looking here and the targets, but don't forget this is a logarithmic scale. If we bring this to a normal fib level, you would like to see, of course, a 1-to-1 fib level at a 0.6 cent. So meaning it can be, of course, for now your wave 1, it can extend, of course, in a wave 1 here, and this wave 2 can extend to later on, and then of course have a wave 4 here, meaning this wave 5 can get an extension, and this can become a wave 3, 4, and a 5, because this is a very fast for a wave 2, by the way, and to move for higher. As you can see here, the wave 2, it took a long cycle. And if we get a wave 2 right now, I think, of course, we might dive very high for HBAR, of course, from 0.25 to over than $2.5. So I believe to stay realistic here, I would say, okay, potential that we still might have, of course, a move towards the upside here for the wave 1. In this yellow scenario, 1 and then 2, and then looking, of course, later on for higher prices, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, and then of course 4 and a 5 even for higher. So I would say first possible scenario, okay, is for bullish, where we have topped here, bottomed here, and we would like to top for a wave 1. After 1, 2, 3, and then 4 as ABC expanding flat, and then looking, of course, for higher. This is your first bullish scenario possibility, where we want to finish a wave 1 in the yellow and a wave C in the blue count. After this, of course, we might have a wave 2, which is your bearish scenario, or you might have, of course, here, let's draw this wave 2, which it might be in a red here. As ABC, you would like to reach this wave 2, of course, and hitting the perfect fib level, probably, or even a little bit higher. It can be, it depends, of course, where we're gonna top for this wave 1. But yeah, perfectly in between those perfect fib levels. Well, also there is a bearish scenario from here, which it can be a something else unfolding here. However, if this is an impulse toward the downside, if we are in 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, well, we have reached the invalidation point. So for bearish, we have invalidate this bullish, invalidation of bearish, sorry, not bullish. Okay, so the bearish scenario is invalidated because you don't like to see, of course, the price action for a wave 4 comes back for a wave, for a wave 1 here. In case you are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, don't forget, anyways, this is not possible as well. Let me check. I didn't check this. Yeah, we took the high here. It's an expanding flat. Yeah, so it is an expanding flat, much higher possibility here, and we might, of course, seek for higher, one more leg toward the upside to finish a wave 1 or a wave C in the blue count. So these are the insights for HBAR. Now, if we move, of course, there is another scenario for bearish, which it can be, of course, 3 waves down and then 3 waves up. It means like you will have one more correction here as 3 waves up, and then moving one more wave toward the downside. And this will create like 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then, of course, one more leg toward the downside. And this can bring towards your wave 2 as well. So these are the things. So possibly ABC in a zigzag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very possible as well. To be careful from this one as well, let's label this A, B, and a C, and let's put this in a small count. Here we go. Yeah, so you might have this scenario, ABC, very small one, and then bringing us, yeah, towards the wave 2 probably. We're gonna see how the things are gonna unfold, but higher possibility now, of course, in both case scenario, as you can see, higher prices for both case scenario for HBAR. Yeah, so these are the insights. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.